Let's find theta. We have a tall building here, is 200 meters tall, and we have a 100-meter tall building. Perhaps you're an ant, or perhaps you're a small person here at the top. Just looking at the top and the bottom, how high is this angle? How large is this angle? And the two buildings are 180 meters across. So one way to do this SOH CAH TOA problem is to slice this into two right angles. You could call this angle A, and we could call this angle B. And the final answer, theta, would be A plus B. We're going to assume this building is a right angle. And let's focus on this height over here. This here is 200. 200 minus 100, if you slide this 100 over, this from here to here is going to be 100. 200 minus 100 is going to be the leftover here. So this part here will also be 100. Let's draw this triangle on the side. We can just focus a bit better. We're going to slide this 180 up here. So this is 180. We're going to assume the units are meters. This is 100 meters here, and this is angle A. If you put your finger on the angle A, we're interested in opposite adjacent. SOH CAH TOA. We're interested in opposite adjacent, which means tan. Tan of the angle, tan theta, is equals to opposite over adjacent. But theta in this case is just angle A. So we're going to say tan A is equals to opposite, which is 100, over adjacent, which is 180. So how do you find the angle using in trigonometry? You hit the trig inverse button. So A is equals to tan inverse of 100 over 180. If you really want to simplify that fraction, you can knock off the zeros and simplify, but that's not necessary. So this means arctan. This does not mean exponent, -1. Arctan, or tan inverse. So we're going to hit tan inverse of 100 divided by 180. And the answer is about 29.05. So we're going to say the angle A is about 29.05 degrees. We're going to do the similar thing with the second triangle. So the second triangle, we're going to just redraw it over here so we can focus. We have 180 meters across. We just slid that number over. We know this here is 100. And we're interested in angle B. Put your finger on the angle. Opposite, adjacent. Again, tan B is equals to opposite, which is 100, over the adjacent, which is 180. So B is equals to tan inverse of this number. So using your calculator, we're going to hit the button again, and we can see that we already calculated it. Tan inverse, the answer is going to be 29.05-ish degrees. So angle A and B are the same in this case, and it makes sense because by coincidence this triangle has the same height as this triangle here, so we could have figured that out. So let's add these angles. What's 29.05 degrees multiplied by 2? And the answer is about 58.1 degrees. So theta is A plus B, which is approximately 58.1 degrees. Good job.